Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be making an excellent cheesy delight for parties, Christmas, or simply a late night snack. Unwrap the wheel of cheese, the bigger the better. I'm using a local Triple Cream Brie from Udder Delights in the Adelaide Hills. To start, score the top of the brie like you're cutting a pizza. We only need to cut through the outer layer and be sure to stop at least half a centimetre from the edge, otherwise we're going to lose all that gooey, melted cheese and it'll go everywhere and it'll look like a disaster. Next, spread Basil Pesto on top, leaving a gap around the edges. Ideally you want a strong flavoured Basil Pesto. For a Basil Pesto recipe, you can find one on the channel. Finally, top it with some semi-sun-dried tomatoes. Try not to get too much oil on the top. Carefully place it into the basket and place it in the air fryer. Then set the air fryer to 195 degrees Celsius or 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Once the time is up, open the air fryer. The sun-dried tomatoes should have a little bit of colour and the brie should be nice and soft to the touch. And carefully remove from the air fryer basket and plate up. Serve with some crunchy toasted bread and there you have it, delight in the decadent, complementing flavours and texture of the melted brie mixed with the pesto and sun-dried tomatoes. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, follow us on social media, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.